guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Saturday and we'll be doing a little shopping on today's video because I am still on the hunt for a rug. Two rugs actually, because I need to find the rug for my studio, and then up front I've been on the hunt for that rug since day one. But I did want to show you guys the new couch that I got for my studio. I ordered the couch from Wayfair. I got it in on Thursday. It was a lot of drama behind the couch because it didn't actually look like it did in the picture. It was actually a darker color, so I ended up having to find a slip cover for the couch. They do have really nice slip covers. I just still haven't found the exact one that fits my couch, so I ended up finding one on Amazon. It is a ivory velvet textured slip cover and it looks really nice. So let me show you how it looks. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I am IAMSHERIKAB. You've seen it already. So here it is, and I like it. The color that I ordered on the picture, it looks this color, but it wasn't. It is actually a really dark tan, so let me show you guys how it looks. And let me see if y'all can see the texture of this. Like, it's really soft. It's nice, I like it, but I'll probably end up changing it out. It's so tight because I have this thing rigged up. See that color? So this is the color that it came in. Okay. And I was so upset about it when it got here. I'm like, oh my gosh, like, because I didn't want anything too fancy because it's just in the studio, but I did want it to look like what I thought I ordered. So here's the picture right here of how the couch was supposed to look. And like I said, it's actually a darker beige, and I did try to play around with it, but it just was not working, so I decided to do the slip cover. So that's the one that I have for right now, and I like the way it turned out. Now the pillows that I put on it is from my bed. I have my curtains open today because it's just so beautiful outside, but these pillows are the pillows that go on my bed, so I have to purchase new pillows for this couch, but for right now this is what we have. So I like the way that it turned out. And then I have that lamp in here from the living room because I actually found the lamps that I've been looking for at IKEA. I know some of y'all was saying IKEA gonna put a restraining order on you, girl, because you be going in there too much. But I finally found those lamps, so I ended up buying 2 lamps. I really did like that lamp up front, but I couldn't really move it the way that I wanted to because of the space that I had between the wall and the couch. I couldn't really, you know, do it how I wanted to do it. So I really wanted those lamps though. So once I saw those lamps, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I'm so happy that I did. And I put the lamps together all by myself. But let me take you guys up front so I can show you the lamps. Okay, so here's the lamps. And I put them together all by myself. This plant is not staying here. I'm just sitting it by the window so it can get some sun. But yeah, the lamps look good, right? And it looks so pretty at night. But let me just turn one of them on so you guys can see it. So cute. Tony, you like them?
Yes, love them.
So crazy, y'all. Okay. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So nice. And I'm so happy that I went in there yesterday. I put up a link on Instagram for the lamps, and one girl tried to order them that live in Jacksonville, and she said it was already sold out. So Tony did say that I grabbed the last 2. I thought it was some more sitting up there, but he said I grabbed the last 2. So it was meant to be. Okay, y'all, so I'm pulling up to the Homegoods that I found the bust. This is the Homegoods in Yulee. So hopefully they got some good stuff. Y'all, so I have my husband with me today, but we stopped at this place called Earthworks Garden to look for a plant. So I'll show you guys around. It's so nice here.
Water them like 3-4 times a week. It's too much because they come from Italy and it's a climate like California. It's dry and non-humid, unlike Florida is. So you just gotta watch the water and let it dry out until you get in between water.
This is the one that I want. Y'all see all the pretty planters? So cute. Whenever I find the perfect plant, because I want an olive tree, but you can't have olive trees inside. Well, he said unless you have like a sunroom or something like that, but I'm gonna find that perfect plant. So if you guys are in Jacksonville, this place is on Beach Boulevard. And it's called Earthworks. So we're going to Arhaus next. Let me put my mask on. So this is my first time going to Arhaus. I follow them on Instagram, but I've never been inside the store. So I don't know exactly where they are. Let me turn y'all around. so heavy. I can't tell y'all how much it is because it's too heavy. I can't lift it. Y'all, the lady started watching me a little bit. I got a little nervous. But it is so pretty in here. So now we're headed to the second floor. Okay, y'all, I made it back home and I actually started editing the vlog that you guys are watching. Please excuse my lip gloss. It was sticking a lot in the beginning of the video. I tried some new lip gloss, which I will not be using anymore. Not my clear gloss, but I tried like a little nude like lip gloss, and then I put my regular lip gloss over it, and it was sticking so bad, and I'm surprised I didn't see it in my viewfinder, but oh well. So forgive me for that. I could barely stand watching it, and if I could take it out, I would take it out, but I couldn't. But I know that this store, Arhaus, is on the pricier side, but it's always a good idea to walk through places like that, and then, you know, you can take pictures of some of the stuff that you see that you like, and then you can just walk around a place like, say, Homegoods. Y'all know that's my like go-to store to find dupes, so for places like that. So that's always a good idea, because I probably would never buy a $8,000 couch, but you know, you can get ideas, like I said, or like the vases that were in there, really nice vases, but you can find those at you know, at Homegoods for a fraction of the cost. So it's just always nice to walk in and see all the nice pretty things. But it was a really nice store. It was beautiful in there. Like, I was like blown away. They share a lot of stuff on their Instagram, but once you actually walk into a place like that, it's just so gorgeous, and all the people were so nice. The only thing about it is, like, I couldn't really film in there like I wanted to, because they're constantly trying to help you, or it's people just standing around and they looking at you like, what is this girl doing? Even though I had my phone and I was trying to play it off, but I told her that it was my first time in there, and that I just thought that the store was just so pretty, and I just wanted to look around and take it all in. So she was like, okay, well, you know, just let me know if you need anything. But she still was like looking at me. I caught her looking at me a couple of times when I was trying to film. So I just did what I could, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I actually didn't find anything that I was looking for today. I did like that planter that was at the plant store that we went to. Really nice planter, but I want to wait until I find the perfect plant first. But that is definitely the one that I'm getting. So the HomeGood footage was actually from yesterday. I vlogged a little bit when I went to HomeGoods in Yulee, and this is the only thing that I picked up. I've used it already. I did post a picture on Instagram this morning. I had a nice little espresso, and it was so cute. But this is a beautiful set. This was $2.99 for the plate and $3.99 for the cup, and I found this at HomeGoods, and it's so beautiful. Then Tony set up my little glass rack today, and I'm so happy. I just don't like these outlets here behind it, but Oh well, but it's really nice. I got this from IKEA. This is how it looks. And it was $4.99. And then you guys know on Sundays I try a new wine on Instagram. So I decided to get the Apothic Rosé. I've never had this one before, so I'll be trying this tonight. Hopefully it's pretty good.